Hello guys, in this video I'll be walking you through step by step on how to download your Microsoft Power BI desktop. All right, so we have the desktop version and of course the Power BI service, which is online, is the Power BI online. So you can use the desktop service on your desktop. All right, while for the service you have to use that online on the Microsoft website. So there are so many reasons why you want to download or use Power BI. Power BI is a visualization software. You can use it to actually analyze and visualize your data. It's just like Excel. You can also do the same in Excel, but Power BI has more super features that can, give you a very good uh, outcome. That can give you a very good report. It makes your reporting really professional. And then you can also do a whole lot of things. You can do your data cleaning. It has some super features that you do not have in Excel, which I'm going to be showing you in this training. All right, but first we need to download Power BI. So the first thing we need to do is just to head over to any of your favorite browser. Right here, you're going to type download Power BI. Then you're going to hit on enter. It's going to bring you to this place where you have the Microsoft Power BI. Remember that Power BI is owned by Microsoft, all right? So this first one, you have Microsoft.com, then download Microsoft Power BI. Just click on this first one. Then it's going to bring you to the Power BI community where you have all of these information. You also have your shop Microsoft 365. They have basically all their softwares here, but we're interested in Power BI for now. So you're going to select your default language. So the first thing you need to do is just select your country, your language. So I'm going to use English. It is on English by default. Next, I'm going to hit on download. Here it says choose the download you want. So you're going to check your system type. All right. If your system is 32 bits, you're going to download this setup. Then if your system is 64 bits, you're going to download this setup. So you need to check which what is your system type, because if you download the wrong setup for the wrong system type, it's not going to work. All right, so to check that, you're simply just going to come to your search bar here, then you type system information. You can see your system information right here. Just tap on it, then it's going to bring out your information. And if you see your system type, you can see my system type here is 64 bits. So I'm going to be downloading for 64 bits, right? So we can come back here, and now I know my system is 64 bits. So I'm going to select the 64 bits, and then I'll start the download. So it's going to take quite a little while because it's heavy. It is about 797 MB. So we're just going to wait for it to download to finish. So now the download is complete, as you can see. So I'm just going to go to where the download is. I'm just going to click this to take me to the download folder. As you can see, this is the full package. It has successfully downloaded the complete setup for you. So it has given you the complete setup. All you need to do is just to install it in your system. So I'm going to double click on this. So you can see so welcome to Microsoft Power BI desktop. So we have the desktop, and this is your setup wizard. So this is just going to help you set up this and install it in your system. So I'm going to choose my language, of course. So here you're going to select the language you want, but I'm going to just leave it at default English language. Then I'm going to click on next. Then this is just like the installation wizard prompting you to allow this thing to be installed in your device. So you click on yes. Then you can see the installation. So here it is preparing to install, right? So just click on next, just follow the prompt, accept the terms and condition. All right, so make sure you read all their terms and condition, then you accept. You click on next. So this is just like the installation path. This is the path where it is going to be installed in your system, in your C drive. Program file Microsoft Power BI is the name of this program. So you can change the file if you don't want it to be installed in your C drive, but however, just leave it here by default. So just leave it at default to install in your C drive. Then you're going to click on next. Then to begin the installation, click install. To review or change any of your installation settings, click on the back button. So here you want to create a desktop shortcut, like you want to have it as an app on your desktop. Then you're going to make sure this is checked. If you want that, then you're going to click on install. It's going to start installing. Please wait while the setup wizard install Microsoft Power BI 64 bits in your system. So we're just going to wait for this status bar to install. Prepared installation is going to update everything, is going to validate, copy all the file, the necessary files from online, then of course update component registration, and we are done. So this is going to take few minutes. All right, so just allow it to copy all the necessary files. So now that our installation is completed, Power BI has been installed in our system, and I'm going to just leave this one. This is going to launch the software from our desktop. Immediately I close this installation wizard. If you don't want that, you can just uncheck this, but I'm going to leave it and I'm going to click on finish. So you're going to see Power BI launching right now. Good. So you can see Power BI will start launching on its own. The Power BI desktop has been downloaded, installed, and of course launched on our desktop. Here you can see the software. So now collaborate and share. Here you can sign into your account if you want to push your work or your reports to the service, the Power BI service. You need to create an account, have a work email, all right? Then with your work email, you can log in and create your Power BI your Power BI service account, which is Power BI Online. So you can save your work, you can save your report online, you can share with your colleagues and also share with your project supervisor, of course. And then let's just remove that. So these are the different ways you can import these are the different ways you can import data into your Power BI. You can either start from a blank report. You can also use one lake catalog. You can import from Excel. You can import from SQL Server and all of this. You can even get from online and other sources. These are pretty much the interface of the Power BI. So in the next video, we're going to be launching Power BI to see how the interface works. So here in the blank report, you're going to be using this blank report most of the times. Then you're just going to click it. It's going to bring you here where you can, by popular demand, dark mode. You can choose if you want a dark mode or if you want a light mode. It's already in light mode by default, but I usually like leaving it in dark mode. If I select dark mode, you can see everything is going to turn dark. If you want to have that programmer vision, like the programmer kind of thing, in the dark mode, then you can have it in dark mode, but it is very okay in light mode. Most persons like it in light mode. Of course, I'm going to remove this. Then this is basically the interface of the Power BI. In our next class, we're going to be exploring all of these things, all of these tabs, all of these ribbons, all of this, of course, visualization tool, and all of these data sources that you can get your data from. Okay, so we have the modeling, you have the report view, which is where you are now. You have your table, you can view all the tables. You have your model where you can do your connections and all of those, and you have the different pages which you can increase, as you can have as many pages as you want. And you can also view this in desktop mode, which, of course, you can see the desktop mode. You can also view it in your normal Windows mode. And this is really amazing. You're going to enjoy using Power BI. So in our next class, we're going to be exploring all of these features and doing a visualization right here on Power BI, learning how to use all of these different charts to create a very beautiful visual. All right, so thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, and make sure you drop your comments if you have any suggestions, any questions, and all of that. I'll see you in the next video.